She, me, YouTube. It's your boy Season, and I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be completely different from the videos I normally do. Today's video, I want to talk about how to get over a breakup, or talk about how I got over a breakup. And hopefully, this will help you get over your same breakup, or the breakup that you're going through right now. But before we do all that, don't forget to leave a like, comment on this video, and if you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm talking to you. Hit that subscribe button for me. Now let's go to get into this video. I've been single for going on 2 years? Yeah, 2 years. My last relationship was about 4 years. I want to say a year was about probably on and off, and then 3 years got back together and stayed with each other. But anyway, well, honestly, what I did to get over my breakup was, granted, I mean, we had a child together, but what I did was I just started focusing on myself. And I would honestly say that's the best thing to do, is focus on yourself. Getting back to making you happy at the end of the day. Because at the end of the day, you can only make somebody else happy when you're happy. When you make your own self happy, that's when you could go find somebody and make that other person happy. Other than that, man, yeah, I took the time, and that's one thing a lot of people don't do. A lot of people don't take the time out to actually heal from a breakup. What they do is they take probably about a couple months or two off, and next thing you know, you see them with another boyfriend or girlfriend. Like I said, what I did was I went ahead and actually, I took some time. I focused on myself. I got back to being around, my friends and family. Got back to doing what I love to do, as far as like playing basketball, just getting my mind off the relationship in general. And I mean, I had a child as well to provide for, so that kind of helped. And if you can, like I said, now if you have a child with that person, then unfortunately there's no way to just automatically try to boot them out your life because you have a child together. But if y'all do have a child together, then go ahead and just I'm sorry, I got off track. If y'all, oh Lord, I totally lost track of what the word I'm about to say. But yeah, take the time to focus on yourself. Find stuff or find something that remember that makes you happy, because that's gonna take your mind off that person. That's gonna take your mind off that person. I know everybody's breakup is different, but like I said, I've been single for going on 2 years now. And I just, like I said, I got all back into what I was doing before I met that person, playing basketball, playing like NBA 2K or Call of Duty with my friends, just being, out and about with my friends and family, because those are the people that are going to help you through all this. That are going to people who are going to help you through all the grief. Yeah, make sure you surround yourself with more positive people. And stop stalking your ex's Instagram and Facebook. Come on now. You got it. That's the one thing y'all got to stop doing. Y'all got to stop going to your ex's Instagram and checking up on them, or their Facebook and checking up on them. No, we're trying to get over this person. We're trying to heal from this person. We want to become better than... We want to become better... we want to make this breakup of us. We want this breakup to make us a better person at the end of the day. You live and you learn. You learn what not to do in that relationship. You learn from that relationship, so that way, the next one, whoever you get in a relationship with, you don't learn from your past mistakes, whether in the right or the wrong. You learn what to do, what not to do. Yeah, I just at the end of the day, it's about you and your happiness. It's about you being happy and content with your life. Now, if y'all toxic, and I mean that's something I dealt with in my last relationship. If y'all toxic, definitely. I tell people all the time, with 2019 and 2020, they done hyped up being toxic, and no, we don't. No, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. Yeah, we might have had some fun time. Yeah, but you don't want to do that. Why would you want to be around somebody who's toxic? And stop going for them sneaky links at night with your ex. No, we're trying to get past that. No, stop trying to make an excuse to go see your ex. Stop texting your ex. Like, just stop all communication with your ex. That's where people go wrong with trying to get over a breakup. They still communicate with their ex, with their ex partner, or ex boyfriend, ex girlfriend. Um, they still communicate, and they still communicate with them. And I mean, that's the problem with everybody now. That's why they can't get over their ex, or they go back to stalking their Instagram or their Facebook. No, get rid of that person. Get back to what making you happy. Get back to what makes you happy. Get back to what you were doing before you met that person. You, at the end of the day, it's about you, making you happy. That's ultimately really how to get over a breakup, is getting back to you beforehand, before y'all was in a relationship, getting back to making you happy. Take the time. That's the problem. Take the time. Take the time to heal. A lot of people do not take that time to heal. They want to, go sleep with this person, go sleep with that person and get rid of that pain. No, take that time to heal. Go through them grieving stages. Because that's what I had to do. I was still thinking about my ex. But I mean, it wasn't no point of it. It wasn't no point of hitting me up, because I knew for a fact that relationship was bad for me. So what I did, I took the time out, refocused myself, and I went ahead and laid low, grind, kept my mind off it, and eventually I got over her. But like I said, people, that's going to take time. We don't give ourselves time. We trying to quickly move on. No, it's going to take time to move on. If you single for 1, 2, 3 years, it doesn't matter. Just make sure this is right at the end of it. Make sure your mental is right at the end of the day. Because some breakups are very traumatizing. Some are very traumatizing. So, telling you right now, take the time out to get back to yourself. Man, woman, take the time to love yourself. Please take that time to fall in love with yourself, so that way, when the next person comes, you done healed from, when the next person comes, you done healed from your past relationship. So now you can give this person all your time and attention. But if you hung up on your ex, or you said they worrying about your ex, then that's wrong to the next person. That's very wrong to the next person. But I'm telling you, that's how you ultimately get a breakup. That's how you ultimately get over a breakup. It's going to take time. And you're going to have to heal from it. You're going to have to heal from it. Don't go and jump into a relationship left and right every time you break up. No, that's not healing from it. That's just adding on issues on top of more issues on top of more issues. That's all that's doing. Because you hopping from one relationship to the next. What's the point? If you still haven't gotten over that relationship that was 3 or 4 years, but that's our problem now. Yeah, my bad. I did a lot of ranting and raving, but I mean that's all it's gonna take. You're gonna have to, you got to give yourself time. You got to give yourself time to heal, and that's how you're gonna ultimately get over that breakup. Cause like I said, at the end of the day, in order for you to make somebody else happy, you got to make yourself happy first. But that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. It's your boy Season, and I am out. Peace.
Watch how you move, cause nothing's promised to you. Stay down with the ones that was loyal to you. One day at a time, I'ma